Hello YouTube, my name is Mike and the name of my channel is Mike TV. So MYK TV. So here's the link below of my channel. So last night I received an email from you that my channel is currently not able to earn because of feedback. Says the channel uses someone else's content without making changes that add significant value. Today, I make this video of appeal to show you and prove to you that all of my content is original and made by myself. I like to take you through my creativity process. So let's go. First, I go to ChatGPT to create me a script for my content and I make sure that it matches my niche. So right now, my videos are related in quiz game. So I got animals, flags, language, and Bible quiz. So next, when the script is finished, I go to an app called Canva to create my template for my for my quiz video. So then after I created my template, I go to 11 Labs to create the voiceover for my script. Then for my other video, I use my own voice like a game tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to my channel Mike TV. Then next, after I created the voiceover, or after I create voiceover, I go to CapCut. So it is a video editing app. So that's where I made the whole content. I edit by myself, put the template, type the script, and put animation and the voiceover. So that's how I made my videos and content. So all of the videos that I uploaded in YouTube Shorts is saved in one folder. So this is all the videos that I created originally. So this is a quiz, a flag quiz, a Bible quiz. I plead with you to please reinstate my monetization and I'll be very grateful and thankful. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video and I hope this will be sufficient. Thank you so much and have a great day.